Okay, so we got some news from Palantir that we have to cover in this video. A brand new, fresh price target from somebody that I'm sure you guys know at this point. So we're going to break that down in this video and break down the charts, do an update on what I'm looking to do as we're getting into earnings very soon here, guys. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Come on and get your 30 stocks from Moo. Check out the link right down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below. What are you waiting for? Or go to stocksurfast.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's break down Palantir, the news that we just got, and what I'm looking to do. So it's currently about 2:15 p.m. on the East Coast, and Palantir is up about 1.5% on the day, and we have a bit of an ascending triangle forming on the intraday chart here, guys. We can see we ran right out of the gate. We opened up at about $75, $76, and we got all the way up to about $78 in the first, 5, 10, 15 minutes of trading. And since that point, we've struggled to break out of $78, but at the same time, we've been making higher lows, hence the ascending triangle here on the intraday chart. You guys see that? So this could potentially break out heading into close today, maybe at some point tomorrow. We got a breakout now that we're seeing this setup right here, right? And on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see we have a golden cross. We're pretty much at another fresh high as of today's session. We hit another high. We took out the highs from yesterday, which is great. Here on the 30-minute chart, we're looking phenomenal, right? Every day it seems like as of late has been a green day, and now we're up about $15 off the low recently, which we hit $63. So we're up about 22, 23% off the lows. And before we dive deeper into the charts here, guys, let's break down the news that we just got. Let me pull it up right now and show you guys this price target that we just got from somebody that I'm sure all of you guys know at this point. So Palantir price target soars to new Wall Street highs, says the headline here. We just got this news today. Let me actually bring this a bit closer so you guys can actually see it. So today we got an increase from none other Wedbush Securities. Analyst Dan Ives raised the price target from $75 to a new Wall Street high of $90 per share, underpinning his bullish outlook on the company's strategic advancements in none other than artificial intelligence, also known as AI. And Ives highlighted Palantir's potential to mirror the success of tech giants like Oracle or Salesforce in the coming years, emphasizing the company's AI strategy as pivotal. Excuse me, guys. And he described Palantir as the Messi of AI, which, of course, I'm sure a lot of you guys know who Messi is, right? The best soccer player of all time, arguably. Yeah, so him describing Palantir as the Messi of AI, that's big, right? And that's suggesting that it is poised to lead in the burgeoning AI market, which he predicts will see trillions in spending over the next few years. The confidence stems from Palantir's AI platform, artificial intelligence platform, which has quickly positioned itself as a foundational platform for enterprises exploring AI applications across various sectors. So, I mean, Ives, we all know, guys, has been bullish for a while, and it's he's been bullish, and he thinks it's going to get a lot better. I mean, look, he said the demand for Palantir's technology stack is robust, with both new and existing customers and commercial and federal sectors lining up. This surge in demand is fueled by the introduction of new valuable AI use cases that help organizations enhance efficiency. According to IES, the market might be underestimating the potential revenue from Palantir's AIP, particularly in the U.S. commercial landscape, which could exceed $1 billion in the coming years. And this enthusiasm is not just about revenue growth, but also about the technological moat that CEO Alex Karp and his team have constructed. This barrier to entry for competitors is seen as a significant advantage, positioning Palantir as a key player in the AI revolution. And Ives reiterated his outperform rating on the stock, reinforcing his belief that Palantir should be a top holding for investors in 2025. And guys, what is important when you're investing? Trading aside, this is not about trading. When you're investing, you want to buy a company, a stock that has a great moat. In other words, a competitive advantage, a barrier to entry, right? Warren Buffett says, think of it as a castle, right? You have your what's it called? Not your fence, but, whatever that guards the castle, a fence. You got your soldiers, you're this, you're that, right? You want your company to be as protected as possible, right? The barrier to entry has got to be insane. It's got to be very hard to penetrate. And that's what Ives and a lot of other investors, myself included, that's what we believe Palantir has right now. A rock-solid, bulletproof moat, which gives it a lot more value. That gives the company a lot of value. You don't, at least in my opinion, you don't want to invest in stocks that don't have a competitive advantage, a strong moat, right? All the companies, the stocks I own have a moat, right? Or else I wouldn't be buying them. I'm not one of these guys that goes out to the store and I'm like, oh, I like, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, or I like this product. I'm going to go buy the stock, right? That's not, in my opinion, how you should do it. Just because a product you love, you use it, just because that's the case doesn't mean the stock's a great investment, right? I love this water bottle right here by Owala, not sponsored, by the way, obviously. But would I go buy Owala stock? Probably not, because this water bottle right here, does this have a strong moat? Is there a crazy barrier of entry to create this water bottle? Not really. I mean, if I wanted to, guys, I can go on Alibaba right now, probably find, let me see, it's probably made in China. Yup, there it is, made in China. I bet you I can go find who made this, the manufacturer, and probably go and make myself 50 of these if I wanted to, right? So if it's that easy to make a product, right, don't invest in it. You want something that is very hard to replicate, in other words, right? Hopefully that Owala example, helped you out there. Whether it's Owala, Yeti, Stanley, all these different cup makers or whatever you want to call them. They're great businesses, no doubt, but would I invest in them? Are their products, is there a crazy barrier of entry? Not really. But yeah, that's a little side tangent there to kind of get you guys to understand the way I think about investing a little bit. And I learned that from the GOATs, obviously. It's not like I invented this myself. I mean, right, guys? But yeah, Palantir looks great on the charts here on the 4-hour. It looks phenomenal. Clearly, we're back above the moving averages, and now we're at 78, 79 bucks. That's a big multi-week resistance, guys. If that breaks, mid-low 80s, we'll be right back there, in my opinion. And Ives thinks we're going 90, guys, 90 bucks, which, who knows? Earnings are coming up. Maybe if they crush earnings and guidance, we might be going there sooner rather than later. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. Hit the like button. Check out my second channel. Holy smokes, man. Man, I got to get some water. Second channel, link down below, and get your 30 stocks from Moo, man. What are you waiting for? Use that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Check out the link right down below, or go to stocksurfast.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.